Hi guys, in this short video, I'm gonna tell you that how you can easily remove Instagram notes missing problem. So that's quite simple, so let's get started. So first of all, open up the Instagram application and now click on the messages on the top right. Now you can see a note. For example, I'll click on delete note and you can type any note here, for example, and share, and it will be automatically removed after 24 hours. So if this option is not appearing in your Instagram application, two steps that you can follow to solve this. The first step is to go to the profile and click on the three lines at the top right and click on settings and privacy. Now scroll down until you find account type and tools. Now click on switch to professional account. Now you'll have to switch on and you can easily switch. And after switching that, refresh Instagram and it will be solved. But if your problem is still not being solved, you can do another thing. You can go to settings and then scroll down in general and click on iPhone storage. Now here you can find Instagram. Now click on Instagram and click on offload and your app will be offloaded and then reinstall it and your problem will be solved successfully. So I hope you have found the video helpful. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.